Hey folks, Christmas has come early again. Neewer has sent me another gadget. This is the new V-Mount Battery, the PS099U portable power bank. Now it doesn't just power cameras and monitors, it also has dual USB-C PD ports, wireless charging and Bluetooth app control. Now if you've been watching some of my content for a while, you'll know how much I rely on these power banks. I have so many gadgets to power on the go. Now this will be the third that they've kindly sent me. First they sent me the PS099E, the PS099F, which I still have, and then this one. And obviously, full disclosure, they gave it to me for free for a review. And as a reminder, if you haven't been watching me, I use many of their gadgets and some of them I bought myself. They're that good. Last year, the first thing I ever bought from them was a video tripod. At the end of the review, I actually said to the company, if you want to send me anything, I'll happily do it. And oh boy, did they. Now, like the previous two models, it's staying at 99 watts. And this is important because it means it can go into aircraft carry-on. These are obviously very important for my work because I fly to the Mediterranean a lot and I need power while I'm on the aircraft, on the way there and on the way back to do editing. Parts and connectivity. First, let's address the very obvious physical one, the MagSafe Qi ring for wireless charging. Now, this is the first time I've ever had access to this sort of charging, so very novel. Next up, 2 USB-C PD power ports. That's one more than the previous model. And there's also one USB-A port, the same as the previous model. If you were to charge your phone using the wireless charger, you have 3 other USB ports. This obviously means you can charge double the number of devices that the previous model could. As an example, here is my iPhone 15 charging wirelessly, my iPhone 8 in the USB-A port, and the DJI Osmo and Canon camera battery charger in the 2 USB-C ports. Now there's the DTAP output for V-mount batteries. I obviously don't use any equipment with V-mount batteries, so I use this solely as a portable power bank. Also has some regulated DC outputs like the last model, making it suitable for cameras, field monitors and LED lights, laptops and plenty of other equipment. One feature I always appreciate is the OLED screen, a slight upgrade in features from the previous one. Basically, rather than guessing how much power you've got left, you can see the remaining battery level along with useful information such as voltage and power usage. Now this is a very new feature, being able to connect your power bank to a mobile app. It connects to Neewer Studio app via Bluetooth. Recently Neewer sent me the RB12B ring light. This also connects to the home studio app. From the app you can also monitor battery information remotely without having to keep checking the display on the battery itself. Now when I was putting together the script for this vlog, I read this particular section. A genuinely unexpected feature of this power bank is the built-in LED light. It's obviously not designed to replace a proper video light, but it's surprisingly useful for packing away gear after sunset, finding equipment in your camera bag, or adding a little fill light in an emergency. Sometimes it's the simple features that end up being used the most. So I thought, hang on a second, I saw the little video light there, pressed it, and the little LED ring comes up, and I thought, that's not much of a light. So I thought, we'll hold it down for a couple of seconds. 1, 2, yeah, same. It's not going to light that much. So I thought, okay, hold it down for longer. Oh, now I wish I was recording this in real time when that first happened, because it would have been great to capture the surprise laugh I got. Obviously, I hadn't fully read all the instructions before putting the script together. As you can see, I can't stop smiling. It's just a torch. I've got lots of torches, but a torch on a power bank. So how about real world usage? Now, obviously I've only just received the power bank, so it hasn't had any time with me in the field. I've done a quick power check on my laptop like I did with the PS099F, which can be charged via PD cable, 10 minutes while the PC was off. Now, just like the F, it uses 1% of power to deliver at least 2% power to the computer. Now that would mean 2 to 2.5 good charges if the PC was off. Now one thing I did notice that is worth noting, I use a PD charging 3-pin plug at home to charge all my devices normally. It has 2 USB-C outputs and 1 USB-A output. Now when I plugged in the PS099U, it showed charging at 40 watts and the correct time for when it was going to be fully charged. However, when I plugged in my PC via another USB-C, that charge started hovering around 15 watts and 30 watts. Then when I plugged in something into the USB-A port, it went down to 6 watts. I'm only saying this because if you buy this battery and you plug it in with other devices, you might think, oh, it's not charging very quickly. Don't worry, it's just your USB plug separating the power into different units. Therefore, if you want the power bank charged as quick as possible, make sure to charge it on its own from that particular plug. Again, as this is the same power as my previous battery, the PS099F, it will charge iPhones like my iPhone 15 about 4 to 5 times over on a full charge. I've had the F for several months and it has saved me countless times. Flying back from Cyprus this year, it was about a 5-hour flight. With my laptop and power bank fully charged, I almost had power for the entire flight. I got loads of photo and video editing done before I'd even got home. So it's really speeding up my workflow. If you've been watching me for the last few months, you'll notice a change in my filming styles. I like to leave my phone recording constantly to try and capture my reactions in real time. This obviously burns through loads of power in both my phones that I use. Using the PS099F, I could constantly rotate charging each phone. A recent discovery was that I could charge my Canon R7 internally using a PD power bank. Once again, I'd gone out without all my batteries charged. I looked it up, it said you could, plugged it in, and there it was, the power was going up. Phew! Okay, that's it. If you've got any questions about the PS099U, drop them into the comments. I'll happily answer anything you throw at me. If you found this review useful, please like and subscribe, especially if you like bird photography and other wildlife content. And I'll see you in the next one.